This is going to be the first video in a series of tutorial videos that we're going to start making to teach you guys how to do more in-depth things in the admin side of the site. So we're going to start with looking at how to create products using the WooCommerce importer. We're going to go over the structure of the CSV. We're going to go over how to export CSV files from Google Sheets. And finally, going over uploading the CSV into your products so that they can be displayed to your clients. So starting with the structure, the first thing you'll see is a skew column. This is just a unique identifier. You can call it anything you want. A good rule to follow is to make it all capitals. Next up, we have the name. It's pretty straightforward. This is the name of the product or the meal. Next, we have a type of product. You'll always be using simple for 99% of the products. There will be videos addressing other types in the future, so look forward to those. Next up, we have regular price, and self-explanatory is just the price that's going to come up for your clients on the front end. Next up, we have in stock. So once you do the import, you can decide whether the products are going to be in stock or out of stock. 1 is for in stock, 0 is for out of stock. This also decides what products are shown. The website is by default configured to not show any products that are out of stock. Next up, we have images. This is just a public link to an image that will belong to this meal. It has to be publicly accessible, otherwise the import is going to fail for that specific product. Next up, we have position. This is just a numeric value, it's just an integer, and whenever the website prints the menu, it's going to show it in order from lowest value to highest value. And multiple products can have the same position value. Next up is short description. Short description is used on the menu whenever the customer is seeing multiple meals at the same time. There's a brief explanation displayed right above the price. Description, this is a more in-depth, a longer description for the product, and this is displayed inside of the product details. And finally, we have categories. Categories help you group different meals together, and also it allows us to do some functionality on the back-end side, so we'll build more upon categories later on. For now, we're just going to use some simple ones. Great, so now we've gone over the CSV structure. Now we're going to go into the export of the CSV. Now, to export CSV from Google Sheets, you're going to navigate to the top right, top left, File, Download, and you're going to click on comma separated values. It shows you that it's going to be a CSV, and it says current sheet. So take this in consideration. Every time you download a CSV, you don't download the entire document as you would in Excel. You actually just get the current tab. So we're going to do the download for the CSV. And up next, we're going to upload it into the site products. So once you go over to your admin, you're going to go to products and you're going to click all products. That's going to bring you to this page over here. You're going to click on this import button. This import is going to take you to the CSV Upload Page. You're going to click on Browse, and you're going to click that last CSV that was downloaded onto your site, onto your computer. You're going to click Continue. This is going to take you to a mapping page. We've already added all of the correct information here, so we don't have to do any changes here. Now we could just scroll all the way to the bottom, and you could just run importer. Now this is going to take a couple of seconds, but it's going to show us all of the meals that were imported. Great, so we have 3 products that have been uploaded. So now we're going to go to all products. I'm going to take one of the SKUs, and I am going to just verify that all the information was properly added. So as we can see, we already had a SKU that was supposed to come in out of stock, and we can see that that's true over here. We can see that images are also displayed and attached to the products, if we go to menu and we just go to all meals, we're gonna see those meals in order. Like you can see this meal is first, afterwards we have this meal, and you can see that's reflected on the menu itself. Well, that was it for the first video. This is going to show you how to create all the products inside of your site, and look forward to more videos in the future.